getting in trouble for being hyper. As-Salaamu Alaykum Wa Rahmatullahi MTGNATION. What's happening, man? Josh here, back with another video. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how I've been personally training this Ramadan to maintain muscle, dude. So you're not only making those spiritual gains, but you're making the mental and the physical gains too, bro. Bismillah. I'm also going to briefly discuss how I'm eating to maintain muscle, which is an added benefit to you guys because you'll finally realize just how much of a white boy American I truly am. America. Now your boy has been on the Juggernaut AI program, which is an app that you can find for both iPhone and Android. It was co-created by a world-class strength athlete and coach, Chad Wesley Smith. It's really amazing, dude. Alhamdulillah, I love it. Again, did I say it's not a sponsor? Somewhere on there. But I'm really digging it, man. Now it is a monthly subscription of $30 a month, which may sound expensive, but if you break it down, man, essentially you're getting a world-class coach in Chad Smith for a roughly like $1.88 per gym session if you were to work out 4 times per week. Now if you've been following the channel for a minute, you know that I typically work out before Fajr, man, but it doesn't take a brainiac to figure out that if I were to do that, I would die during Ramadan. Bismillah. So during this blessed month of Ramadan, man, I've been throwing down hard, bro, during iftar, going halal ham on whatever I want to eat. Some of the highlights have been French toast, turkey bacon, burritos and tacos. Let's see what we got here. Milkshakes, cheeseburgers, and other basic requirements of life. Now it's right around 7:30 or so that we break our fast and have iftar. So I'll have a pretty decent sized meal, throw down on something on a big meal, and let that digest. And while I'm digesting that, I'm getting ready for the gym. So by 8 o'clock or 8:30, my butt's out the door, heading to get them gains, man. And then I also have one more meal, and that's after I get home. I'll have another, decent sized meal, and that's what I'm doing to maintain muscle and weight during this Ramadan. Now, I'm currently on a hypertrophy block. That's hypertrophy.
Hypertrophy. Hypertrophy.
Hypertrophy.
Not hypertrophy. Now look, I know that we're in a generation, we're in a time, man, where everyone gets essentially a trophy for just about anything. But you're not getting a trophy for being hyper. Anyways, so yeah guys, hypertrophy, which is just a fancy way of saying muscle building with high rep ranges and sets. So let's actually get into the meat and potatoes of why you came here, the workout, right? See what I just did there? Meat and potatoes, Ramadan, pun, food. Oh God, okay, this can be a long video. Alright guys, let's just get in the workout. Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the most greatest, fantastic voiceover b-roll on the planet in the history of YouTube. Just kidding, I didn't hire Donald J. Trump to do my voiceovers, man. So alhamdulillah, this was Monday's workout. Called for a 10 rep max of 10 reps on the high bar squat. I didn't actually hit a 10 rep max. I hit about a 7.5, which means I could maybe hit 3 more reps. This is 215 pounds. Again, after fasting all day long, I'm not expecting to hit any PRs. Just having fun, enjoying the process, enjoying being at the gym. And alhamdulillah, so I hit 215. And then we did 4 back off sets, again 10 reps, ending with 195 pounds. Next on the menu was a 3-count pause bench, 8 reps, 4 sets, I believe. And I kept going back between 140 and 145 pounds because 140 was too light. 145 for what I was supposed to hit, RPE 7, was too heavy, so I just kept bouncing back and forth. Next, I had 3 sets, 6 reps of 3-inch block pulls, deadlift pulls. I'm pulling sumo, that's what I've been pulling for the last few months. I know it's cheating, I don't really care, it's a gym left. Just kidding, it's not cheating, for those of you who don't get the joke. But yeah, 315 pounds on the bar. Deadlift is my bread and butter. 315 is nothing, dude. Piece of cake, warm up, but this was supposed to be my top set according to the program. I finished this workout with some leg extensions, some hamstring curls, and some cable crunches to hit the core, man. Did not film it, but that is how your boy finished Monday night. Now, before I take you through the rest of my week, man, I want to talk to you if you're struggling with inspiration or motivation or consistency when going to the gym or doing anything else in your life. You know, we've all been there, man. We've all struggled from time to time. And one of the most effective and simplest ways that I've personally found is these simple little reminders that you're going to see me wear throughout this video, man. Like today, I'm wearing my Master Potter hoodie. In the videos, you're going to see my Unlike the Rest shirt or my MTG 101, right? These are these different shirts that have meanings like, you know, we're going to be committed on the good days and the bad. Right, that's one of the shirts that you're going to see. I have my Master Potter hoodie, which is you are the Master Potter of your life. You're the one who can mold and transform your life into anything that you want. And these are just simple, basic reminders, man, but you'd be amazed at how effective they are. And so for the month of Ramadan, man, anything that you purchase from my store, whether it's my hoodies, my shirts, my journals, anything, man, face masks, whatever, all of the profits are going to go towards supporting and sponsoring orphans because, alhamdulillah, that's something that we do every month. Both Ramadan, we want to take it to that next level. So instead of taking just a percentage of the profit, we're going to take all of the profit, alhamdulillah, and support orphans. So if that's something that you want to do, that's something that you want to contribute to, hit that first link down in the description below. It's going to take you straight to our website. The discounts are already going to be applied. Or you can go to alwaysmtg.com/discount/orphan. Jazakallah khairan, barakallahu fikum. Let's get back in the video. Alright, man, we're on Tuesday. Tuesday, I had to do feet up bench, 10 reps, 5 sets, got up to 140 pounds, and it still felt like a relatively light after 5 sets, you know, trying to find the weight that the program wants me to hit in terms of fatigue. After 5 sets, it was 140 pounds and it was still relatively light. After bench, we went on to comp squats, which comp just means competition squat. For me, that's low bar. This is just technique sets. That's what Tuesday is for squats. It's just technique. So you keep the weight relatively light to work on form and technique. So 170 pounds, you do 3 to 5 reps, 3 to 5 sets, just working on your technique. Next, we did 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Here we did 20 of neutral grip pull downs. Just really attacking that back, man. Working on getting a strong back. Next, we did military press. I totally misloaded the weight, but in my favor, I actually put 10 extra pounds on. Yeah, totally photobomb me, bruh. It's all good, man. And, but yeah, man, I was actually disappointed at first. I was like, dang, I didn't hit my reps. And then I realized I actually put 10 extra pounds on the bar, so it all worked out, man. We finished this workout with some tries and buys, some tricep push downs, just some accessory movements, because everyone knows that the tricep is the true sleeve filler, man. So we hit some tries, and then as well we hit some buys, some biceps, some bicep cable curls to finish out the night and complete Tuesday's workout. Gains, bro. Here we are Thursday deadlifting because your boy doesn't work out on Wednesdays. But man, it was not a good night for me, dude. The belt, man, because your boy's been gaining. The belt was really tight, and the only way to adjust this belt is you need a flathead screwdriver, which I did not have handy. So it was pushing on my gut so much that it was making me want to throw up with every rep. And it was just taking so much out of me after a full day of fasting, man. It was no bueno, but we did the best we could, man. Alhamdulillah. Ooh, having a good time. So next we did dumbbell flies. Shout out to your boy Shiraz, one of my best friends and business partners. Shiraz, the CEO of the Lion of the Ummah. Alhamdulillah. So I was hitting some dumbbell flies. I think that's about 75 pounds, something like that. Alhamdulillah, for sets of 12 to 15. Just getting after it, man. Having a good time taking those dumbbells for a ride. Yeehaw! Onto the pause high bar squats or high bar pause squats, whatever you want to say, man. Alhamdulillah, I think this was 2 or 3 sets of 6 reps. Just pausing at the bottom for a second below parallel. Again, man, you know, not hitting any PRs, dude. After fasting all day long, man. Don't expect to hit any PRs, but it's still a great time, man, nonetheless. Alhamdulillah. Finished the night with some leg extensions, you know, just smoking them, as well as my hamstring curls. Again, just pretty much going near failure, just smoking them, man. So here we are, Friday, folks. It's bench day, and it sucked, man. I had basically no sleep, and obviously with fasting all day, man, it's just not the best thing when it comes to lifting, period, man. So it's all about the long game, though. We're not getting disappointed over one bad lift. Here we are doing shoulder shrugs. This is only the second time I've ever done shoulder shrugs in my life, especially, so, you know, whether it's dumbbell, barbell, whatever. So still trying to learn the technique to really hammer those shoulders, man. But yeah, just doing shoulders, bro. Pretty simple. So here I am doing front squats, man, and this is only like the second or third time I've ever done this movement, so I'm still obviously working on technique. I was using the finger hold, which I'll throw a picture on the screen to show you what I'm talking about, and it was tearing up my left wrist, man. Right wrist was, man, I could feel like I could do it all day, but the left wrist, it was really cranking it, and with that much weight on the bar, man, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it here. I didn't want to play with my wrist, man, like that. After pause front squats, we started doing some lat pull downs. Again, just working that back, man. Trying to get the strong back, bro. Next, we targeting that chest, brother or sister, with the pec deck. Just really hammering that chest, man. Really trying to get a good pump and really try to break down the chest, because a bigger chest leads to a bigger bench, and everyone knows I could use that. And you guessed it, we finished out the night with some, you know, tricep pushdowns and bicep cable curls, as always, because you gotta get the bro movements in. You gotta get the pumps for the misses. Oh yeah. Your boy started getting rained on, so we're in the bedroom, alhamdulillah, but that is the video, guys. That is a typical week in my training program. So if you got value, if you got inspiration, if it, you know, motivates you to get in the gym as well, or, you know, not to put off training just because it's Ramadan, or any other thing that you might think is, you know, preventing you from working out, man. All right? Because a strong body produces a sharp mind and a strong mind, and there's nothing but benefit to it, alhamdulillah. So if you got value from today's video, man, drop your boy a like down below, because it truly does help the channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell, because I'm dropping 2 new videos every single week, every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget, hit that first link in the description. Let's support orphans, man. Let's set forth good deeds for this Ramadan and for our hereafter. Bidnillah. Stop stressing yesterday. Stop fearing tomorrow. Make today great, and I'll see you in the next one. Today I'm going to teach you the #1 habit that the best Muslims do in Ramadan and outside of Ramadan, dude. And if you're not doing this, well, dude, there's no way you're making the most of your Ramadan, and that's a shame.